Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play multiplayer with your friends in Bus Simulator Indonesia so you can enjoy driving together in real time. Let's get started. First, open Bus Simulator Indonesia on your mobile device and tap on the multiplayer option from the home screen. Next, choose your preferred multiplayer mode and select the game type you want to play. Once you've done that, tap on Create Room and enter the required details, such as the room name and a passcode. After filling in all the information, tap Create and your multiplayer room will be ready. Now, ask your friend to open the game on their device and go to the same multiplayer menu. They need to select the same server and game mode that you chose earlier. Your room will then appear in their list. All they have to do is tap on the room, enter the passcode, and press Join. Once connected, both of you can start playing together and enjoy the multiplayer experience in real time. And that's it. That's how you can easily play multiplayer with your friends in Bus Simulator Indonesia. I hope this video helped you out. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.